In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a live wallpaper from Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in, because this is a fun one. First things first, you'll want to open the Pinterest app on your device. If you don't already have it, make sure to download it from your App Store. It's a great platform for finding inspiration in various categories, including amazing wallpapers. Once you have the app open, it's time to find the live wallpaper that catches your eye. You can do this by tapping on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here's where you can get specific. Type in what kind of live wallpaper you're interested in. It might be something like nature live wallpapers or abstract moving wallpapers. Whatever it is, just hit search, and Pinterest will present you with a variety of pins that match your query. Once you see a pin that you like, go ahead and tap on it to open it up. But wait! Instead of just looking at the image, we are interested in video pins published by users because those are where the live wallpapers are usually found. So, look for a video pin. They often have a play button overlay which indicates that they contain video content. When you find one that excites you, it's time to move on to the next step. After you have the video pin open, take a close look at the screen. You'll see some options available, and one of them is represented by 3 dots in the corner, sometimes called the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots. This is where the magic begins, as it opens up additional options for you. Now you'll want to look for the option that says Download Video. It's important to note that if the video's creator hasn't enabled this feature, you might not see this option available. If you do see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will trigger the download process, and you'll see a little icon or a notification indicating that your video is being downloaded. Now, be patient as the video finishes downloading. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, it should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, it's time to find that beautiful live wallpaper you've just snagged. So let's navigate to your Gallery or Photos app on your device. This is where all your downloaded files and media are usually stored. Open up the app, and you might need to look around a bit. Check your Albums or Downloads folder. This is often where new media is categorized. When you find the downloaded video, tap on it to play it. And here's the exciting part. Because you've got a live wallpaper now, the process doesn't stop at just downloading it. You can set it as your wallpaper. Go to your phone settings, find the section that deals with wallpaper or display, and select Live Wallpaper. From there, you should see your video listed among other wallpapers. Choose the one you want and set it. And voila! Just like that, you've turned a static screen into a stunning, dynamic backdrop. Make sure to enjoy your new live wallpaper and share this technique with friends so that they can jazz up their devices as well. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Remember, if you enjoy what you see and want to learn more tips and tricks, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for